Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making homemade soft pretzels. To begin, in a large mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cups of warm water, about 110 degrees. Then add in 1 packet of active dry yeast. Let that rest for 5 minutes. Then add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick mix. Then add in 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, with a spatula, mix thoroughly until you form a dough. As the dough begins to form, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Continue mixing for another minute or so. Then, in another mixing bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Transfer the dough over to the grease bowl. Sprinkle vegetable oil on top of the dough. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And after 1 hour, it would have doubled in size. Cut the dough into 8 equal pieces. Then roll them out into thin ropes. Twist the 2 ends to form a pretzel shape, just like so. Let me show you one more time. Hold the 2 ends, twist and fold over. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in 4 cups of hot water, followed by 1/4 cup of baking soda, then submerge each pretzel into the hot baking soda water for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, transfer into a large tray lined with parchment paper. Then brush each pretzel with egg wash. Sprinkle each pretzel with coarse salt. Bake at 450 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your homemade soft pretzels should look like this. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, homemade soft pretzels. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching.